Okay, now let's compute the first derivative. So h prime of x is equal derivative sine cosine, and derivative cosine is minus sine, and you will force it to be 0. Okay, this is easy. This is, for example, I move sine, cosine, is equal sine, and it's equal tangent, because you divide by cosine both sides, those are cosine, cosine, is tangent, x equal 1. It's obvious que tangent is 1, and the first quadrant is x equal pi over 4, and also we have another value that is 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. But this is out the game. Okay, entonces my table contains 3 columns. This column is x, this column is h of x, and this column is the category I want to investigate. The value is 0, pi over 4, and pi over 3. And you evaluate the original function en 0, en pi over 4, y en pi over 3. En 0 es 1. Es obvio que sin 0 es 0, cosine 0 1. En pi over 4, you know, sine and cosine is the same, que es radical 2 over 2. Plus radical 2 over 2 again, es radical 2. O sea, es radical 2. And pi over 3, sine is radical 3 over 2, and cosine is 1/2. Entonces es 2 radical 3 plus 1. Well, to compare that, this is approximately 1.41. And this is approximately, in the calculator, of course, 1.37. And we have 0 is 0. 0 is 1, sorry. This is radical 2. And this is radical 3 plus 1 over 2. It's obvious that this is the mean, minimum, and it's the maximum. And this is nothing. Now let's verification this idea in decimals now. Okay, now decimals. I copy the function. I get specification, the interval I want to study. I plot the famous 3 point on the table. It's so clear here in the picture que at x equals 0 is minimum, que es 1. Y at x equal pi over 4 is maximum, absolute maximum. And the answer is radical 2, que es 1.414. Excellent. Okay, this is the next. You compute the first derivative. Derivative x is 1, and derivative logarithm is 1 over x. If you want to condense this in one common denominator, x minus 1. Okay, now to find the critical value, this is new. Is 0 or undefined? It's obvious que es 0 at x equals 1. But at x equals 0 is undefined. And this is two potential critical value. However, 0 is out the interval. Therefore, I do not consider this. Okay, ready? Do the table. X, P of x, and category. And the number involved in the problem is 1/2, 0.5, 1 and 2. And you evaluate P, the original P, and that point. Okay, look. P evaluate in 1/2. Is 1/2 minus logarithm of 1/2. This is approximately 1.19. 1.19. P evaluate now in 1. Well, that's 1 minus logarithm of 1, que is 0, is 1. Is 1. And finally, P evaluate in 2. Is 2 minus logarithm of 2. Put in the calculator for approximately 1.31. 1.31. Definitely the category is, this is the mean, minimum, and this is maximum. And this is nothing. Excellent. Now decimals. I put the function, I put the restrictions at the interval. Yeah, it's so clear. Look. The minimum is at 1. X equal 1, que the value is a coincidence is 1. And the maximum, absolute maximum, is at 2, que is 1.20, 1.30, 31 is 2 minus logarithm of 2. Excellent.